You coconut! Next we have Vegeta. Yeah. Pretty good arm articulation. Leg bend is limited by his bursts, but still very good. Ab crunch is a little better than Majin Buu. Very nice. 360 head. Yo, shut the fuck up! Look up pretty damn far. Look that. Oh shit! Side. Damn it! Side. Oh my goodness! Can't really tilt his head side to side at all, as you can see. It keeps falling the frick off. How could I forget the delicious toe articulation? Vegetable comes with some accessories. Weapon holding hands. Relaxed hands, my little jit. These open hands for when he's blasting your ass with his fucking garlic. And this little key blast effect looks so freaking bad. The fuck off! Super Saiyan vegetable head. Pop that bitch on right now. Yeah. Look at those luscious locks. Let's see if. Check this out. Looks so fire. Huh? What the hell?